In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Slack. Whether you've switched to a new email provider or you're updating your professional contacts, this straightforward process will help keep your Slack account up to date. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access your account settings in Slack. To do this, open your Slack application and locate your profile picture or initials usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View Profile. Now, you should see a new panel open to the right, revealing more options about your profile. Once you're in your profile, look for a button or tab that says Account Settings. Clicking this will direct you to another window or page where you can manage different aspects of your Slack account. The Settings page is designed to give you control over your account, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you wish. But for now, our focus is on changing your email address. Next, here comes the crucial part. You'll notice an option that allows you to modify your email, often marked with a simple label like email address. Next to it, you should see the word Expand. Click on Expand to reveal more detailed information. At this stage, you'll be required to enter your current password. This added layer of security ensures that it is indeed you making this change and not someone else trying to alter your account settings without permission. After you've typed in your password correctly, proceed to enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the spelling and correctness of this new email. It's easy to mistype when you're in a hurry, and even a small mistake means you won't receive the important confirmation email in the next step. Once you're confident that everything is correct, hit the Update Email button. This action initiates the process to update your email address in Slack. Now, for the final step. Head over to your inbox associated with this new email address you just entered. You should receive an email from Slack almost immediately, asking you to confirm this email change. This step is essential as it verifies your new address, ensuring that any communications or notifications from Slack reach the right place. In the email, look for a link or button that says something like Confirm Email Change and give it a click. Once you've done that, congratulations. You've successfully updated your email address in Slack, making sure all your Slack activities stay seamless and integrated with your latest contact information. So there you have it. That's how you change your email in Slack. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with anyone else who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.